Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asad Khalid, and today my research topic is future of nanocell. Whenever you think about nano, it means very small. Nano is actually a prefix which is used in measurements that is equal to the 1,000th of the width of human hair. So, nano solar cell means that the solar cells, which are of extremely small size, aligned up to give us more efficiency and effectiveness. My research question is: Can can nano solar cells outweigh traditional renewable energy sources such as hydroelectric, biomass, and our traditional solar cells in terms of cost effectiveness, efficiency, and clean energy source? Clean energy source means that it should not produce harmful substances as such as greenhouse gases and other harmful substances which can affect our ozone and as well as our earth. So here is my research question. The thing that intrigued me most to do my research essay in this topic is because our earth almost use 20% of total GDP of product in the production of electricity, which is a huge amount when we consider that when we consider that earth is already suffering from the education and health sector. Here is a chart in PowerPoint presentation. You can see that the world energy consumption by fuel is almost 13 billion metric ton. So, like we are using almost 13 billion metric tons of oil just to produce our electricity. And here you can see in the chart that most of our electricity is coming out from coal, oil, natural gas, and only a small, very small amount is coming from other renewable resources, which also include solar cells, biomass, and other renewable sources. So as compared to the other resources, it is very less amount. And when you think that total solar energy reaching earth in 2 hours can provide us energy for whole year. Yes, for whole year. And when we compare it with the energy that we are getting from our renewable sources, that is very much less. And the thing that intrigues me for this research is that underdeveloped countries use most of their GDP on electricity production, thus which renders their growth in education and health sector. Pakistan is also an example of underdeveloped country. The research material which I have used is are most importantly scientific journals, because this is a new topic and research are going on this topic. It's therefore I use scientific journals. I read almost 10 scientific journals, and apart from that I also use research papers because that was complementary. If you are writing a research paper, you should have prior knowledge about that stuff. And also the most important thing that helped me to research more in this subject is universities laboratory research, because the research is going on in Koita University, Japan, and in MIT. Previous research had not presented comparison. Most of the research that scientists have done, they have only explained how solar cell is helping, how nano solar cells will help in our future, and how nano solar cells will bring a revolution to the existing solar cells and can increase the efficiency of solar cells, and we can yield more and more energy. But they have not compared it with other renewable resources. So in my research essay I have compared it with other renewable resources, which also enhances the significance of the nano solar cells. And also I have told about the commercialization of nano solar cells, potential of this technology, because previously people are not considering it as much potential as it has. And the concept of independent houses, that it means that the houses which can generate their own electricity. At the end, I want to raise awareness about non-renewable energy sources, about the potential of this source of energy, and also the threat by renewable energy sources to our environment, because our environment is at the verge of chaos due to the burning of coal and oil. And also I want to attract the potential investors that this is the much growing field, and potential investors should invest in this field, and especially the government should help the researchers to do more research in this field. And in this way we can become independent of renewable energy sources, which is also a coming threat to world, because renewable energy sources are running out of world in coming years. Any questions?